Alright guys, I just thought I'd share what I got here. This block is one of 3 that I own. It's a 350 4-bolt main. It's a 3970010 block. It's been bored 20 over, but it was like that when I bought it, so I've had this for quite some time. I'd like to do maybe some kind of a build on it in the future when I get some money ahead. Not too sure what I'm gonna. I gotta take the block in and get it checked over and cleaned, and it's got like fairly new bearings in it. I think all the cam bearings were replaced in it too. Just been sitting a while. I got a plastic bag I've been putting over it anyway, so I'll show you the pistons and rods here. Okay, so just like 5/7 rods. I think I'm gonna have to get new pistons though. Like, I bought the motor, it was like, it had like the pistons and rods in it and the crank and all that jazz, so I pulled it apart and there was like, I'll show you here. I think there was like the ends of these were like busted off or something. Looks like they were ground down a bit. If you look at the length compared to these ones right here, see what I mean there. See, and this one here is fairly busted. It was like somebody tried to grind it the best they could or something like that, and then that end's still long. So yeah, there was some kind of mismatched stuff going on here, so I think it might be better just to get like a brand new set of pistons. I might go with like a Summit Racing or something like that. I'm not too sure yet. And then I would need to get all these rods all weighed up and then balanced out and stuff like that. I got a cast crank here too that came with it, just a 350 crank. I ran the numbers on it there a while ago. Where is it here? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, this is not too bad a shape though. Just like the journals just need to be polished, cleaned down and polished, and then all this stuff here I can get rid of that, just wipe it down with brake clean, and then just, you know, if there's any rust I'll just use a Scotch brake pad on it just to clean it up. But I'll probably get the, you know, the rods and the crank all balanced and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't even know what I would use for a camshaft for this thing yet. I think I may use a set of camel hump heads on it, just because it's like an older block. I don't want to, I don't know, I feel like this motor should go into like maybe like an older car or an older truck or something down the road. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, I wouldn't mind finding a set of accessory bolt hole camel hump heads or whatever, you know. 492s or I can't remember what the accessory bolt hole ones are, and the casting number for those, but so I'd have to like pick my cam out based around those cylinder heads or something like that. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. All right, thanks a lot, cheers, and we'll catch you later.